least another week or two because I had got hit by a car and broken my knee. So I didn't have no movement. I had just been stuck in bed. I got an excuse, but I'm starting moving around today so I can go try to talk to me, bring it home. I got to call to see people, but I do have my money saved up. I was just trying to.
Okay.
And I get a little more.
Sure. Thank you. And obviously I can see that you had something happen. I'm going to do a normal reset. So that's 30 days. That should give you plenty of time to get someone hired. If you do bring that reset to them, if for some reason you're not going to be able to, make sure you talk to at least 3, bring me those names, and then we'll discuss your options. Yes. All right. Step in front of the clerk.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Yes, sir. Lylvester has for the bond, anyone who's here for the bond forfeiture docket?
Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Morning.
And I think all of these are just for cost and interest.
Okay, thanks.
So we're not anticipating anyone's going to show.
No response, Shannon.
And I'll take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture docket itself for today, June 15th. Mr. Price.
And the state would request that you take judicial notice of the judgment Nisi case as well as the underlying criminal case for each one of the cases identified on the docket.
I will take notice of all of that as well.
And we've asked that the court enter final judgment according to the court's docket, and we have prepared final judgments for
I will order judgments in each of those cases as noted and sign these judgments.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just so you can look at things. So the other side is very yeah, the same.
All right. If I call your name, please come forward. That's fine. Looks good. Clifton Bush Jr.
Right there, sir.
Good morning. Are you Clifton Bush Jr.?
Yeah.
And Mr. Bush, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well,
You hired somebody?
Oh,
You did not hire anyone? Okay. Did y'all talk to some lawyers?
yes, ma'am.
You did? Are you working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, Mr. Bush, I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning. You have some family members with you? All right. So I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Y'all need to fill it out accurately and completely. Don't leave it blank. If something doesn't apply, make a notation of that, and then I'll take a look at it. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, so make sure you fill it all out right, okay? Mm-hmm. You'll step in front of the clerk on the end. She'll give you that paperwork. Lance Anthony White. Good morning, sir. Are you Lance White?
yes, ma'am.
And Mr. White, this is your initial appearance in clause number 26, DCCR 0803. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from October 3rd of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up, please.
Spoke working homes and I paid my advice, but I haven't been able to.
All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. White, is reset your case about 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me those names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. Daryl Albritton. All right, sir, you're Daryl Albritton.
Yes, I
Did you get someone hired?
still looking, but I did what you told me to do, the 401k thing. Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I got another one, with a company called Fidelity. It got 9. So altogether is like $3K or something, but I'm waiting on my ID. So I can't do nothing till I get my ID.
Have you already gone to apply to
I already talked to the people. They just waiting on my ID in
your,
the mail.
okay, so you've already got your ID coming.
Yes. So I'm just waiting on that.
Any idea how long that's supposed to take?
I don't know how long it's gonna take, but you know.
But you're working, right?
Yes, but I ain't go to work for a week because I had transportation problems.
No, but
so
you've been coming here for,
I know, and I got a lot of things going on outside of here, outside of work. But I'm gonna get it handled though.
well, you were supposed to get all that done in about a day.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's, the thing is, I don't think you're going to, I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, but I don't think with your job that you're going to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I'll take a look at it. If you do, fine. If not, then you and I are about to have a serious conversation about you getting this stuff taken care of.
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's true, right? Kevin Edmondson. Good morning. You're Tevin Edmondson. And Mr. Edmondson, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I was coming this morning to ask the court if I could leave a like.
If you're going to give a fake name and bolt from a traffic stop, don't leave your actual debit card in the console. The sheer panic of sprinting into a getaway car just to realize you left your entire identity behind is comedy gold. But look at the judges for Seath. Real storm is brewing because Kendrick was already out on bond for something way worse.
Obviously, I can see that you had something happen. I'm going to do a normal reset. So that's 30 days. That should give you plenty of time to get someone hired. If you do bring that reset to them, if for some reason you're not going to be able to, make sure you talk to at least 3, bring me those names, and then we'll discuss your options. All right, step in front of the clerk.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Yes, sir. Lylvester Hassan. Good morning, sir. You're Lylvester Hassan. And Mr. Hassan, were you here before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I talked to Mr. James, and this is something we agreed upon. I didn't need more than 30 days to get the money from him.
Okay, but you're planning on hiring him?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to do one more reset, Mr. Hassan, to see if you can get Mr. Macon hired between now and that next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice to him. If you're unable and you don't think that's going to work out, then you need to talk to at least 3 others and bring me those names, okay?
Okay, how do I do like a court appointment?
Well, if you,
In town.
so if you have the money to hire someone, then you're required to hire them. And you don't know that unless you talk to enough. So if you can hire Mr. Macon, great. If not, if that's too expensive, then you need to let me know, bring the names of who you've talked to when you come back. And then I'll see about you filling out the paperwork and I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify for a court appointed lawyer. But I want you to attempt to get him or someone hired first. Okay. All right. Step in front of the clerk right here. Christy Johnson.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Christy Johnson. Miss Johnson, were you able to get someone hired?
Well, I remember I said I was gonna go with Mr. Marvin court appointment too, but I was gonna pay him with cash. So I was looking for a job, him to get the job. So why I can pay him.
Okay.
And I'm in a job and we go to pay it $240. So,
To Mr. Lewis's today?
well, to the job.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to call Mr. Lewis and I can't never get in contact with him.
Well, that's,
My main thing was getting the money to pay.
so you start working today?
It's
Where are you going to be working?
Waffle House.
Okay. And you think you'll be able to get him or someone hired if I give you another reset? So I'm going to reset your case one more time. You've been here a few times, so it's going to be time for you to get someone hired. If for some reason you can't hire him or someone else, when you come back, bring a pay stub as well, so that if you fill out that paperwork, I can take a look at that and know exactly what you're making and whether you qualify for a court appointed. Okay?
I'm not trying to pay my church.
Okay.
Yeah.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.